Okay, and moved to the other side of the boat. River split, I just noticed. There's a bridge back there. First one we've seen in a while. A little bigger places on this side. Pretty purple flowers there. So these people live on the peaceful Seine River. And of course, as soon as I get over here, we run out of homes to see. We'll take a trek on the other side. How about that? It's a unique place there. Small, but nice. I don't know how much that bad boy right there costs. We'll see. Let's walk on the other side, see what I can see. Okay, basically nothing. You can see the river split over. There's another side over there. Big area of water here. There's a good shot of the bridge again. These people there live on kind of an island. I smell some breakfast. Another bridge. I smell some breakfast aromas coming out up here. Smells good. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one off here too because there's not a lot of trees. And oh, it's a pretty morning. You get a chance, you need to go on a Viking River cruise. This is a tremendous vacation. Relaxing, friendly people, friendly staff. Small ship. I think they say there's 120, 125 passengers on board and crew of about 49. But everybody's friendly. You get to meet folks from all over the country. Of course, everybody's from America. Speaks English, and all the staff speaks English. Talking to a guy this morning, about 50% of the crew is from Bulgaria. Very nice guys, so very nice. So you need to, and the food has been phenomenal. We had a Normandy selection last night, which was 3 stations. I'm gonna walk upstairs, what the heck. The Normandy station was cheese, all kinds of meat, shrimp, sausages, you name it, chicken, with a great mushroom sauce that I liked. And here's my coffee station. That is my coffee station, by the way. I'm gonna walk back a little bit and probably not talk much because there's some folks here. This is where I hang out here a lot. Smaller portion of the river here on this side. Like I say, it's split. This is a buffet set up this morning. And full menu downstairs in a little bit. Then we got some fruit and some meats and cheeses. And of course, pastry, some jellies. Looks very good, very good. And you got your coffee and tea here. Not going to go upstairs because it's a little cool, but we will go upstairs later. This is a real pleasant area to sit right here, and then you got out on the deck there, so it's gorgeous. And upstairs is really nice. Of course, you got a good view up there. Okay, that's about it. Right now, 10:30. Men and gentlemen from Tennessee, the man named Don, we're going up to the wheelhouse to visit with Captain Nicholas. He's going to show us how to drive this thing. Don't think we're going to. We met Don and his wife. They're from Pigeon Forge area, Tennessee. Very nice folks. Lived in Nashville, Tennessee for a long time. Now they live over near Pigeon Forge, in that area over there. Nice folks. You know, we've been kind of hanging out with them because we've got a lot in common, age-wise. Our southern draws kind of blend in together, so that's good. All right, I'm going to tell you what. I'm going to sit back here. What the heck? This is pleasant back here. It's a little bit cooler than it is inside there, which is fine. And we're going to relax right here for a while, folks. Sign off for now. Again, quick picture of the galley downstairs. I'll let it go down there. Maybe they'll let me in a minute. See ya.